Hi kids, today we are drawing a Bengal tiger.
We'll start by drawing a simple tiger face. Make the head shape.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
All done. Now we colors the tiger.
Old MacDonald